Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to allow only admin to send message on a chat or group chat on your messenger. This feature cannot be found on your Facebook app or your Facebook Lite. It is only available on an updated messenger app. So the next thing you have to do is to select the particular group chat that you want only your admin to send message. Click on it. So right here, all you have to do here is to click on the get settings found at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll gently and on privacy and support, you're going to see an option called message permissions. Click on it. So since my gear is turned on like this, I'm not going to message admin and other members of the group can chat, but if I turn it off, it is only my admin that will be able to send message to this group chat now. So this is how to allow only admin to send message on your group chat. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.